Gentlemen, welcome back to the Bird's Nest. Breaking news. The Dallas Cowboys have let go of Jaylon Smith. The Eagles should go after him. Here's why. Who should go get Jaylon Smith? Tell you why. That guy would love to go after the freaking Cowboys. Now, he's also better than the current guys we have. We can fit him into the scheme within a couple weeks. I'm telling you, you get him, and we need to go get Jamie Collins, who's also in talks with New England to go back there. We need to upgrade this linebacker core. Yeah, we got some young guys, but so what? We need to work on the scheme. We need to upgrade the linebacker position. Sideline to sideline runners. We need threats in this scheme. Our defense is trash right now due to the linebackers. We need to upgrade.